three. This is Ulysses. My name is Ulysses. And these are little guys. I bought them at 7-Eleven.
No, you didn't.
I'm sorry. I bought that
Cut!
with them.
Well, what is this?
This is a massage thing. I'm gonna put them here, pretending that they're dancing together, and then they're gonna be separated because they broke up. So who's ready? Right? First, they're dancing. You could lose or die. And the winner is
Nobody. You got like 30 seconds.
who's ready? Let's see who will win. The blue one or red?